In sentences that contain a direct object, there is a subject, which does the action, and a verb, which is the action, and a direct object, which is directly affected by the action. The pitcher throws the ball. El pitcher lanza la pelota. The subject is el pitcher. He is the one doing the action. Lanza is what the pitcher is doing. It is the verb. La pelota is what the pitcher is throwing. That is the direct object. Now let's move on to direct object pronouns. Direct object pronouns, like all pronouns, take the place of a noun. El estudiante usa Microsoft Windows Vista Ultimate. Okay, we can replace all of that with the pronoun lo. El estudiante lo usa. It's much shorter. In this case, lo is the direct object. And unlike in English, in Spanish, the direct object pronoun always goes before the verb when there's only one verb in a sentence. And it has to match the same gender and number as the noun it replaces. So lo and Microsoft Windows Vista Ultimate are both masculine singular. La chica dice un secreto. Lo replaces un secreto. It is the direct object pronoun. They're both masculine singular. Bob Esponja prepara unas hamburguesas. We replace unas hamburguesas with a direct object pronoun las, because they are both feminine plural. Now, when you're asking and answering questions, it can be a little bit tricky. Okay, ¿me puedes ayudar, por favor? Puedes is in the to form, so we know that the subject is to. Okay, the two verbs are puedes and ayudar, and the direct object is me. Can you please help me? Now, in the answer, the person who is listening is now talking, they're responding. So the direct object pronoun switches with the subject pronoun. For example, no te puedo ayudar. So the subject is yo because the verbs puedo are in the yo form. All the verbs are puedo ayudar. And the direct object pronoun is te, you. Okay, now when you have two verbs in a sentence, you can always put the direct object pronoun before the first verb, like before, or you can choose to attach it to the end of the second verb if it is in the non-conjugated form. Here are the direct object pronouns. Me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las. Me is the same as the English me. Te in English means you. Lo replaces any singular masculine noun and can be translated as it or he. La replaces any feminine singular noun and can be translated as it or she. Nos is the same as us in English. Os means you all, is only used in Spain. Los replaces any masculine plural noun, can be translated as them, and las can also be translated as them and replaces any feminine plural noun. Aquí tienen unos ejemplos. ¿Me hablas? Te invito a la fiesta. ¿La conoces? El niño quiere acompañarnos. Los prepara mi mamá para la cena. Now let's look at some common examples. Yo lo veo. I see it. ¿La tienes? Do you have it? Los compro en la tienda. I buy them in the store.